Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy mushroom tofu soup. This soup is delicious and perfect for winter time. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. You will need beef stock, tofu, enoki mushroom, mini king oyster mushroom, green onion, minced garlic, soy sauce, and red pepper flakes. First, we'll start by slicing the mini king oyster mushrooms. Next, we're gonna move on to the enoki mushrooms, which we're going to cut off the ends and soak in water. We're gonna dice the green onion, and lastly, we're going to drain the water off the tofu, rinse it and pat dry, and cut into cubes or bite-sized pieces. Let's cook. For this recipe, we'll use our Dutch oven. We'll set it in medium heat and add some avocado oil. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna add 2/3 of the green onion and the red pepper flakes. We're gonna stir for the green onions to soften and absorb the flavor from the red pepper flakes. Next, we're gonna add the mini king oyster mushroom and stir to coat the mushrooms with the spicy green onion. Mushrooms act like sponges and they absorb all the flavor. Next, we're gonna add the beef stock and make sure that we scrape the bottom of the pot and add some water. Now it's time to add the tofu and the enoki mushroom. Add the soy sauce. Make sure you push the enoki mushrooms into the broth. Cover the pot and bring to boil. Taste the broth and adjust the salt content. We added 2 teaspoons to ours. We're gonna finish off the dish by adding some sesame oil and garnish with the remaining green onion. Now you know how to make mushroom tofu soup. This soup is hearty and it can be enjoyed by itself. We like to enjoy it with a bowl of wild brown rice. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.